We can go to a place where even our imperfections can rest safe. I thought we were on our way.
Welcome to the Hard Rain Cafe and Campground in the Hoh Rainforest on Washington's incredible Olympic Peninsula. The Hard Rain Cafe is a great place to base from to explore the Hoh Rainforest, as it's about 12 miles from the National Park's Hoh Rainforest Visitor Center. They offer RV sites with water and power and tent van dry sites. There is no dump station or sewer, but they do have very nice clean restrooms and wonderful hot showers for the campers. The campground is just off Upper Hoh Road on the north side, inland from Highway 101. It is open from March 15th to November 15th. Reservations can be made online with site selection to be made when you arrive. And the cafe, wonderful. Coffee, breakfast, and for us, awesome takeout burgers we enjoyed in our campsite. And a very cool gift shop. We have actually stayed here twice. I wanted to revisit the Hoh Rainforest and also head up to Forks to visit John's Beachcombing Museum. Besides a drive up to the trails within the national park, there is a riverwalk trail directly across the road, which will lead you to the Hoh River. Also, take a walk next door to learn about the sailing vessel Nikolai. Fascinating history. SV Nikolai was a Russian schooner that ran aground on the Olympic Peninsula in 1808. And, well, the Native Americans met the shipwreck survivors and kept many of them as hostages and slaves, including the 18-year-old wife of the expedition commander. Again, fascinating history. Staying at the Hard Rain Cafe twice worked out great for us. We were able to drive up to the National Park entrance, find parking, and enjoy the Hoh Rainforest trails before this section of the park became crowded, and it is recommended to arrive at this park entrance early. The pros: reasonable cost for water and power, excellent food, and the nicest staff. Clean hot showers, blackberries behind our site, close to the national park entrance and the trail across the road, and not too far from the town of Forks. The cons: road noise during the day, lots of traffic, so be cautious crossing the road. No sewer or dump, so plan ahead. We really enjoyed this small campground on both stays. Just going there for the food is worth it. So if you've enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and leave us a comment so we know you're here. As always, thanks for watching.